there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we save you from making those regrettable purchases. Today, we're diving into the wild world of mini drones. On the left, we've got the Holystone mini drone. And on the right, it's the Istone US5 drone. Buckle up, folks, because it's about to get airborne and hilarious. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holystone mini drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $36. Meanwhile, the Istone US5 drone is flexing with a $119 price tag. Holystone's price is so low, you might just find it in your couch cushions. Istone US5, on the other hand, costs more than my last grocery bill, and trust me, I eat a lot. Now, fun features. Holystone Mini is like that fun friend who's always up for a party. It can toss to launch, do circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's basically the drone equivalent of a breakdancer. And with 3 batteries giving you 21 minutes of flight time, it's like having an energy drink on wings. Istone US5, though, is the tech-savvy cousin who shows up with a 1080p HD camera and adjustable lens. It's got headless mode, one-key start landing, and even hand gesture photo/video. It's practically doing a photo shoot at a red carpet event. Plus, with 30 minutes of flight time, it's like the marathon runner of drones. For user-friendliness, Holystone Mini is the kind of drone you hand to your kid and say, "Go nuts." It's got altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode to keep things simple. The full protection guard means no more crying over broken propellers or boo-boos. It's basically the helicopter parent of drones. Always watching, always protecting. Istone US5, though, is like the tech whiz who hands you a drone and says, "Don't worry, I've got you covered." With features like one-key start/landing and altitude hold, it's like having a drone with training wheels. Plus, the detailed manual makes sure you're not tearing your hair out trying to figure out what button does what. When it comes to portability, Holystone Mini is the ultimate travel buddy. It's mini, it's portable, and it's ready to go wherever you go. School, fishing, hiking, or even just to the backyard. It's practically begging to be taken on adventures. Istone US5, though, takes portability to a whole new level with its foldable design and carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Compact, sleek, and always ready for action. You could probably fit it in your pocket, but let's be real, it's too cool to hide away. And finally, protection. Holystone Mini's got those propeller guards, making it safe for kids and clumsy adults alike. It's like the drone version of bubble wrap, safe and fun. Istone US5, though, is all about that high-tech durability with its powerful brushless motors. It's like the drone equivalent of a tank, powerful, quiet, and ready to conquer the skies. Reviewers love the Holystone Mini drone for its ease of use, affordability, and fun features. It's highly recommended for beginners and families. On the other hand, the Istone US5 drone has mixed reviews. While some appreciate its advanced features and good picture quality, many have faced issues with control and durability, making it a riskier purchase. So there you have it, folks. Holystone Mini Drone, the fun, affordable, and user-friendly option. Istone US5 drone, the high-tech, feature-packed, and slightly pricier contender. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart shopping tips. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description. Catch you later, smart shoppers!